Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Confirm you have the stated materials and a 3x3 raft base built. First, place the anchor platform in the center of your raft so the anchor sits flush. Once placed, equip the hammer and immediately attach 2 storage chests within one block. This keeps parts accessible while you work. Make sure to position the anchor blueprint before crafting the final anchor. This prevents rotation issues and saves time when you move to the next build phase. You now assemble the anchor using 2 metal ingots, 4 rope, and 1 chain directly on the platform. This avoids placement glitches. Once done, reinforce the 8 tiles around the anchor with extra planks and nails to distribute drag and prevent structural collapse when deployed. While reinforcing, install 3 directional tether points at angled positions to counter lateral forces. This gives you control when reversing. Keep checking inventory so you don't interrupt the momentum of the build with trips. You finish by test deploying the anchor at low speed and watching for a secure lock within 3 seconds. This confirms alignment and tether tension. If the anchor fails to hold or snags, remove it and rotate the platform 90 degrees, then reattach the anchor and retest. Rotation resolves most collision bugs. Finally, stash 1 spare anchor kit and 10 nails in your nearby chest so you can repair fast. If things still go wrong, check for hidden debris under tiles before redeploying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.